we are looking at how to say this acronym and, more importantly, what it means. What does BEF mean? We'll look at what it means in academics or academically, of standard language and writing, but also in texting. What does it mean in chats, for example, when you write BEF? We'll look at that as well. If we're talking about currency, the BEF symbol is for Belgian franc, Belgium's national currency before the introduction of the euro as founding member of the monetary union. BEF also stands for bovine ephemeral fever. That sounds interesting. Or in Britain for the British Expeditionary Force. In texting, however, what does it mean? Well, it means best enemies forever. So I guess you don't want to receive BEF in a text, do you? Best enemies forever. Well, we're not. You and I are not. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and what they mean. Some confusing words that many mispronounce and that many ignore the definition of. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.